Once you've installed your LUMACAST Fire Feature, it's time to turn on the propane line, if that's the option you've chosen for your fuel type. If you have the LUMACAST propane tank cover, remove the lid that houses the tank. Place in the full propane tank and attach the regulator connector to the tank, securing the connection and making sure it's threaded tight and on correctly. Once the regulator connection is secure, it's time to open the flow of gas. On the propane tank itself, rotate the main valve all the way to the left so it fully opens the flow of gas. Then focus your attention to the high pressure regulator. You are going to rotate this valve to the right and bring the needle so it measures 5 psi. Now going over to your fire feature. With your fire feature key in hand and your fire feature lighter, insert the key into your fire feature valve space. Bring the lighter to the closest burner nozzle of the fire feature and strike the lighter on. Slowly rotate the key counterclockwise until ignited. At this point, you can adjust the height of the flame to your preferences by turning the key to the left to make the flame higher, and to the right will make the flame lower. Once you are done using your fire feature, rotate the key clockwise all the way to the right. And going back to the propane tank, on the main valve, make sure it's fully closed, turning it all the way to the right. Make sure to remove the key. To change your propane tank, simply remove your LUMACAST tank cover if you have one. Unscrew the regulator connection to your tank, remove the empty tank, and place in the full tank, reconnecting the regulator connection and making sure the connection is tight and secure. If you have a LUMACAST tank cover, place the lid back on until your next use. We hope you enjoy your LUMACAST Fire Feature and accessories. For any questions that you may have, please contact us.